Hi everyone, I am Milan from MK Designs and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the Shorty Kit Small, designed to transform the rear of your Royal Enfield for a cleaner and more aggressive look. We will cover what does the Shorty Kit do, what's included in it, how it works with the 3 custom seats that are provided by us. Shorty Kit Small shortens the rear subframe just above the axle of the tire, giving your bike a compact, streamlined profile. It comes with fiber rear loop, mounting brackets, nuts and bolts. First up, the Brad seat. This low-profile seat gives your bike a classic rugged look, perfect for fans of minimalistic and retro vibe. Next, we have got the Café Racer seat and cowl small. It's streamlined for a custom match cowl for a clean race-inspired look, ideal for those who love Café Racer style. Lastly, the Café Racer FF650 cowl small. It's the most minimal option designed to give your bike more modern and aggressive edge.